భారతదేశము వేదాల పట్టుకొమ్మ యజ్ఞయాగాది క్రతవుల కాటపట్టు పెక్కు అవతారములు కన్న పెద్ద తల్లి నీతి నియమాల యోగి ఈ త్యాగభూమి నీతి నియమాల యోగి త్యాగభూమి. Bharat is the epicenter of the Vedas, the Yagnas and the Shastras. This is the land where many saintly people and gods were incarnated. Bharat is filled with soul of love, morals and controls. That is why this is stated as Divya Bhumi, Yoga Bhumi, Tyaga Bhumi, the land of sacrifice. This is the land which was explored in a minute descriptive manner by my uncle, Sri Balachandra Sunku, who is the founder of Abhaya Foundation, Hyderabad. He got this divine intuition while he was offering prayers at Bhadradri Sri Ramachandra. He received command from Mother Goddess Sitalamba saying that Shankara Digvijayam will be the route for Bharata Darshan. Then he sought blessings and Mangala Shasanams from Sri Channajiyar Swamiji for Muhurtam. Then he took permission and blessings from his parents, family members, well-wishers and board of trustees of Abhaya. He started traveling by offering his prayers at the lotus feet of Adur Sri Ranganatha Swami temple and Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, who is his Ishta Daiva, and Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam Sri Venkateshwara Swami temple. He commenced Bharata Darshan from a small village called Kaladi, which is the birthplace of Adi Shankaracharya in the state of Kerala. And he visited places related to Acharya Trayam, Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya and Ramanujacharya. He also visited the places related to Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. He visited 4 Shankaracharya Peetams, touching 4 borders of India, visiting holy shrines in the 4 countries, India, Nepal, China and Tibet. He visited 5 Panchabhutalingams, Pancharama Kshetrams, 5 Panchadwarakas, and also places, NGOs, ashramams related to saints, monks, sages, avadhutas and the rishis of India. He also covered 6 Subramanya Kshetrams. He covered different places like Giri, Vana, Puri, Aranya, Parvata and Sagara while offering prayers to the 6 major religions of India, that is Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Islamism and Christianism. Thus covering the 7 sacred rivers, 7 Moksha Puris and the great Manas Sarovar and the 7 mountains. He also offered prayers at Ashtavinayaka temple and 10 directions. He also visited 12 Dwadasha Jyotirlingas, 18 Shakti Peetams, 108 Divya Deshams, Vaishnava Divya Deshams, while traveling across 23 states of India. My dear friends, when I was reading all the posts in the Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram like a running commentary, I felt like as if myself traveling to all those places. Such was his vivid, lucid and virtual description. My dear friends, all these listed things were beautifully compiled in just 250 pages and released and launched entitled as Bharata Darshan by the divine hands of Sri Chinnajiyar Swamiji and in the presence of Honorable Telangana State Governor Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan Garu. This is just 1,000 rupees, my dears. Dear friends, I resolve myself to stand beside Abhaya in spreading cause to each and everyone. Let me know, whoever is interested, just ping me. I will make sure that book will reach you. I feel this book is must read by all the youngsters of India, especially the doctors, spiritual seekers and adventure seeking fellows, in order to know his wonderful observations, insights behind the mysteries and mystics and the rich cultural heritage of India. All proceeds goes to Abhaya Youth Empowerment Projects under construction at Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you one and all. जय बोलो भारत माता की जय.